back to another video. Today I will be aiming to show you how GeoGuessr players look at a round, what clues they look for, and how they guess. So step-by-step tutorial here. Alright, so the first thing I notice, you want to be looking at the sun right here. So the sun is right here in the north, kind of. So this might mean that is the southern hemisphere. I look at the signs, it says English, right? And I will look at the Google car, not showing up here, but it is pretty good here. Yep. I see that this is camera Gen 3. If you are a starter, no need to worry about that, but there's basically different camera generations for GeoGuessr. And Gen 3 is the most common one, so this is not really useful. But yeah, so these are basically the things I look for, right? So that is basically how a round goes. Now, if you ask me, this place looks like the US or Canada, due to the fact that they have short license plates and they're driving on the right. While the sun was a bit messed up, this should be the US or Canada. On Canada, it says maximum, US, it says speed limit, so this should be ultimately the US. So US quite big. I'm not a pro at US, but we got that. On to the next round, I can easily say it's India without moving the screen for a few reasons. This is Gen 1 coverage. You can see really blurry. The sky is like really pink. There is like, the sun is just so messed up here. The card is the boxy car, only found in India. There is this huge blur around the Google car. We're driving on the left, and many motorbikes, and the script is also one that can be found in India. So I'm pretty sure this is India. So let's hop on India. So I don't know when India, but pretty close. Alright, now I can confirm that this should be the UK, unless one of the UK territories. You can see that double yellow outlines, red brick, yellow back plates, white front plate. This is pretty much guaranteed UK. You can look at the sign. It is English, and we're driving to the left. So pretty sure this UK. When UK, not sure, but that was pretty close. Manchester. On this last round, this will be a bit harder. We should be in Europe, driving on the right, and the signs are pretty European. We got a plate, a fully white plate, so that can't be found anywhere. Looking at the pedestrian sign, it's a 3-strip pedestrian sign. So it should be one of these Ukraine or upper right here, or like Russia somewhere there. Looking at the script, it looks like Russian, and if you ask me, I would guess Russia here. So somewhere here. Okay, it was Moscow, pretty close. And for this last round, looking at the sun, northern hemisphere, got US again, looks like, due to the fact of the short plates again. It could be Canada, but most likely it should be the States here. I don't remember the license plate, however, there is like an orange strip at the top, so this should be one of special places. Obviously, as I said, I don't remember exactly where this is. It was Idaho. You got 2 US rounds, so that wasn't most ideal. But that is basically how a GeoGuessr round goes. Now let's play one more time, and let's see if we can get other locations. Okay, so I'll attempt to not move, and then I will try to guess. So this looks like Europe, maybe like Greece or like Romania. Not sure though. So let's look around. Okay. Now we're driving the right, surely. Oh, looks like we have a yellow back plate, so it might be the UK here. We can read the text. There is a domain code, which is something you want to look for when you guys are playing GeoGuessr. It looks like the NL, so it is Netherlands. So we will guess the flat plains. Not the closest, but. Alright, if you ask me, this could really be anywhere. But I really don't know for this one. This could be like Canada, but it could be like Italy, Serbia. Alright, so let's look around because we're in like a historical site. Okay, this is definitely English. So looking at the sun, it looks like we're in Northern Hemisphere. Let's go to a car. Oh, this looks like UK. Yellow back plates and double out yellow lines. There should be UK. Let's pop in somewhere here. It was up in Newcastle, but okay, this should be easy round. This should be Japan. Maybe like Switzerland. Actually, probably Japan. I think it's a low cam. It is Northern Hemisphere. It is Japan. And why did I notice Japan first thing? It is because Japan have a lower camera than normal after playing a few rounds. You guys will definitely notice the low cam. You got these boxy cars with some yellow plates, and this is the Japanese script. So this is guaranteed Japan. Keep in mind that this might be Okinawa, but it could be here. Okay, it was Tokyo City Center, but that was pretty good. So this is another Northern Hemisphere. You got another US round thanks to the speed limit sign. And this is a typical US round. So another US round. A lot of US rounds here. So guessing over that, it was dangerously close. Perhaps the correct state here. Judging by this, I think this might be Sweden, Norway, thanks to that red brick house. And that is pretty good. We don't have a green plate there. We can aim to find that. And I kind of feel like there isn't a blue string on the left, so that kind of worries me. This is definitely one of the hardest round. But so this is basically how a typical round goes. It looks like it's France. By that car, obviously. There are many outliers. So in GeoGuessr, you want to look at all the clues, not just at one clue. You guys want to look at many clues. Oh, this pole look like... This could be like Sweden or something. On Sweden, I think we saw a flag, so that's really helpful. I see blue and yellow, seems like. Oh, this pedestrian crossing sign is only in Sweden with 4 stripes. If you guys notice more, you guys can find, for example, the Russia round, it was 3 stripes. On Spain, there is 8 stripes. On Poland, it is horizontal lines. So pedestrian crossing signs are really helpful. So I would guess somewhere here could be more down. And it was more down. So that is how GeoGuessr round goes. We hope to see you guys again. Hopefully you guys learned something here. See you next time.